y'all can eat, man. I need you fuck niggas sleeping. But shit, that's how you feel? Fuck yeah. Hey, you know I'm coming, hey. That's 2.0 with a big boy screeds.
So high off these drugs, I might just hit the flow. Then got too high, nigga couldn't even see. That's the 2.0 with a big boy screeds. No more than 4 grams in them motherfucking slap. You know what it is right there, and they gon' count. Damn, they seen that out in the store, he vanished. Think they gon' wanna get out with these big 4 niggas. Just know I'm gon' blow, don't tell me shit. If I see someone like that, I'm playing the party. So duck your muffin, I don't do all that art. Don't try creeping ugly ass on hollering. I'm so high, bitch, I can't even think. Seen the op in my sleep with his head gone. Know them top do the best, just aim at his nose. Be sliding them whips, all black, yeah, you know I'm gon' shake back, they just stealing my flow.
Let's go.
I want a new top, I don't care if it's go. Everybody flexing guns, well you better hide your pole. I can get real grimy, but you little niggas hoes. Know you can hear me now, so just let me know. When I get booked, know I'm rocking the show. I'm on the stage, posted out with the chrome. That's 2.0 with a big boy screeds. No more than 4 grams in these motherfuckers slap. You know who they is right there, ain't gon' count. Damn, this in the op at the store and he vanished. They think I won't get out with this big 4 niggas. Just know I'm gon' blow, don't tell me shit. If I see someone like that, I'm clearing the party. So you better duck him up and I don't do all that arguing. I won't spend a dime on no bitch. Yeah, you know these hoes, they can all suck dick.